Hello everyone, let's dive into the DYMO Rhino 4200 industrial label maker. This handheld labeling system aims to provide fast, durable, and cost-effective solutions for various labeling needs. The package includes the Rhino 4200 label maker itself, a carry case, a roll of 1/2 inch black on white labels, and a pack of 1/2 black on white heat shrink tubes. The Rhino 4200 utilizes thermal transfer print technology at 180 dpi. This ensures clear and legible labels, which is crucial for industrial environments where readability is paramount. The thermal transfer method also contributes to the durability of the labels, making them resistant to smudging and fading. One of the key features of this label maker is its portability. The handheld design allows for on-the-spot labeling, whether you're working on a construction site, in a server room, or anywhere else that requires immediate and organized labeling. The included carry case is a nice addition, providing protection for the label maker and making it easy to transport along with its accessories. The inclusion of heat shrink tubes expands the functionality of the Rhino 4200, making it suitable for cable identification. The 3:1 shrink ratio ensures a secure fit on wires and cables of varying sizes. This is particularly useful for electricians, network technicians, and anyone else who needs to clearly and permanently label cables. The Rhino 4200 is designed with ease of use in mind. The push-button controller type is straightforward and intuitive, allowing users to quickly create labels without a steep learning curve. The machine supports label media up to 1/2 inch in size, providing versatility for different labeling applications. The monochrome printing output is standard for industrial label makers, focusing on clarity and durability rather than color. Overall, the DYMO Rhino 4200 appears to be a well-rounded industrial label maker. Its portability, durable printing technology, and included accessories make it a valuable tool for professionals who need reliable labeling solutions. The addition of heat shrink tubes further enhances its utility, particularly for cable management. If you're in the market for a robust and user-friendly label maker, the Rhino 4200 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.